3.
Hey guys, it's the Goo Girls, and today we're going to make some clear slime. And
finally, a different video other than actual slime. You're making 2 videos teaching you how to make slime.
First, you need a bowl and a mixing bowl. And then you're going to need, it's like, this is testing, so I'm not sure how it's going to end up. But this is like aloe. You guys can use hair gel. In the real video, it said to actually use hair gel. So
wait, you copied this from another video?
You can't use, if it has alcohol, you can't use it.
Yeah, that is true. And
Unless
you guys
if you're...
don't have to use food coloring. We're just going to put a drop in there so it can be like
A
really
little
light.
teeny drop.
So you don't even need a lot of this. I think we're running out actually.
Okay, just give me some.
No count.
Wait, what is that again?
You can't have a whole
It's
thing.
aloe. Usually you should use hair gel, but
Oh, hair gel. Okay, my bad.
hair gel you're supposed to use it. But this is testing, so we're not sure how it's going.
I'll put in the description all the ingredients in case people are deaf and they can't hear this. But why would it even matter? They probably wouldn't even be on YouTube to begin with.
Can I have some more?
So we're running out, so we're not going to put a lot. So you can put more than this. But
So now what do you do?
now you're going to put just a teensy bit of water. It depends on how much you put into your bowl.
No, a little more. I'm just kidding. I don't know anything about slime.
But like not a lot. It depends on the amount that you have into your bowl. So if you're going to put like a lot in there, put like more water than I have. It smells like pepper.
No, it smells worse.
I'm going to put a lot so to see how it ends up.
It might be a fail. We don't know.
So it's testing.
Well, when do you add the food coloring?
After this, so all the ingredients.
Wait a minute. It's supposed to be clear slime, right?
Yeah.
Why would you add food coloring?
You don't have to.
Well, Goo Girl Caroline, aka Dare Me Girl, is gonna
What
do
does
it,
it look like?
and then you do it without the food coloring.
No.
That's
Should
so
I?
pretty.
No, don't do it, because we want to see what it'll look like for both of them.
Yeah.
So pretty.
And if I do want food coloring afterwards, I will. See, it's just like that. And then
The balls.
it hasn't really turned into slime, so
Wait, is this supposed to be a kid-friendly channel?
yeah.
This video is gonna get age restricted then.
So it didn't really become in slime, so we're going to try to put it in. Let's put it in the freezer actually.
The freezer.
For about 2 hours.
And
So
then what happens?
This video can't go on for 2 hours, so we are going to make a part 2. So hopefully you guys can see part 2.
Ah, another part 2.
Bye guys.
Wait, we end the video?
Yep.
And then what happens whenever we put it in the freezer?
Oh, when we put it in the refrigerator,
Yeah.
it should turn into slime. We're going to make a part 2 to show you guys if it was a fail or not.
That's gonna be a fail.
Fail.
Okay.
Well, let's end the video here.
Yep.